guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're playing with bright colors and we're doing a very easy and quick eye look. So let's start. Starting with the transition shade, I'm picking a light peach shade and blending it on my crease. Now for your transition shade, take your time and place and blend the eyeshadow properly because this step forms as a foundation of your eye makeup. Now I'm picking up an orange shade and placing it on my eyelid. This technique is very similar to the blue smoky eye we just did recently, just with different colors. You can check out that video by clicking on the I button. Now taking a fluffier blending brush and blending both the shades on my eyelid so that they seamlessly blend together. When we use multiple colors, we have to make sure that these colors blend with each other perfectly and there are no sharp edges. Otherwise, it can turn into a disaster. So the importance of blending comes into picture here. Now picking up a yellow shade, I'm placing it on my inner corners and blending inwards with the orange shade on my eyelid. I'll keep on blending them till they merge into each other completely. Now since we're playing with bright colors, I'm using a purple shade for my lower lash, using a pencil brush and adding kajal to my waterline. And we're already done. You see how simple this look is? Now, as usual, I'm adding my gloss and my lashes, and now I'm done. This look really took me just 3 minutes. So next time you're getting late for an outing, you can try out this look with any color of your choice. This look really never fails you. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and we'll soon be coming up with new videos. Till then, bye bye.